BRABUS has never been shy about pushing boundaries, but its latest move marks one of the most surprising shifts in the world of high-performance engineering. Instead of unveiling another seven-figure extreme off-road machine designed exclusively for elite collectors, BRABUS is now offering enthusiasts the chance to build a scaled version of its million-dollar crawler with their own hands. This unexpected offering comes through its ongoing collaboration with BlueBrixx, resulting in the newest BlueBrixx Pro BRABUS Crawler 1-8 model. With 4,280 individual pieces, this brick-built masterpiece captures the raw technical essence of the original Desert Monster in a form accessible to dedicated builders and collectors around the globe. The real BRABUS 900 crawler is already a legend in the world of extreme off-road engineering. Unlike other BRABUS creations derived from Mercedes models, the crawler stands in a category of its own. It is built on a proprietary tube-frame chassis constructed from high-strength steel, featuring an open-body design made entirely of exposed carbon fiber. Built for desert domination, it abandons doors, windows, and conventional comforts for a design focused solely on pure, unfiltered performance. Its mechanical setup reads like a showcase of extreme engineering. The machine achieves an astonishing ground clearance of 53 centimeters, made possible by its custom portal axles at both the front and rear. Many of its components, including wheel ends, suspension arms, and struts, are milled entirely from high-strength aluminum. Despite its aggressive structure, the crawler weighs around 4,500 pounds, significantly lighter than the Mercedes G63 that loosely inspired its concept. Under the hood sits the BRABUS Rocket 900 V8 bi-turbo engine, producing 900 horsepower and 774 pound-feet of torque. This immense force rockets the vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds, with top speed capped at 160 kilometers per hour to preserve the integrity of the rugged off-road tires. Only 15 units were ever produced between 2022 and 2024, each one priced well over $1 million, instantly turning the crawler into a rare collectible. In contrast, the BRABUS and BlueBrixx 1-8 scale model offers a unique twist. While it cannot tackle dunes or shred sand at high speeds, it brings the design and engineering language of the original crawler into a format that demands skill, patience, and dedication. The model is priced at €199.90, placing it within reach of collectors who appreciate technical builds. The construction includes full suspension articulation, capturing the realism of the actual machine, along with custom tires and detailed monoblock HD rims. Builders can lift the hood to reveal a miniature version of the powerful engine layout, echoing the spirit of precision that defines BRABUS craftsmanship. This shift from real off-road dominance to hands-on building experience highlights how BRABUS is expanding its reach to fans of technical modeling, not just automotive elites. The partnership with BlueBrixx began with smaller, 6-stud-wide models like the BRABUS Widestar, but the new crawler project marks a massive leap in ambition. With over 4,000 pieces, it represents a serious technical challenge that mirrors the complexity of the real vehicle. It stands as the flagship of the BlueBrixx Pro lineup, reserved for builders seeking a high level of detail and mechanical authenticity. For collectors and fans, this brick-built crawler delivers more than just a display piece. It bridges the gap between high-end automotive engineering and hands-on craftsmanship, allowing anyone with determination to build a piece of BRABUS history. While the full-size crawler remains an ultra-rare million-dollar beast reserved for a small number of owners worldwide, the BlueBrixx Pro version offers a tangible, immersive way to appreciate the spirit of extreme off-road performance. It transforms exclusivity into accessibility while preserving the thrill and complexity that define the BRABUS name.